Hello everyone in the group. Welcome to this edition of this presentation, Forsage Tron, the only remedy. This is one episode, the first episode. Okay. I am a living witness of Forsage Tron. I don't need to be told what it has all been. Before I met Forsage 2 months ago, the ending of July, life was not an easy one for me, okay? But since from the day someone in Lagos called me and told me Forsage and I joined Forsage, my life has not been the same again, okay? I'm even happy when they say dollar is going up. I like it that way. When I heard that rice is 31,000 naira per bag, I was happy because I buy in bags. I don't care. My earnings comes in dollars, and today alone I've made close to $50. I receive payment into my wallet up to $50. What more would I have wanted more than this? Okay, in this kind of economy, what more will you want? If you cannot use 13,000 and join Forsage now, what business are you going to join? What business will you be able to join? Now, if you calculate, in my first account, I have about $200. This one I have $294. That means $294 times. Let me calculate. Sorry, I'm going to use my. Because of making videos, I will try as much as I can to be using a computer. But now let me say this is $294 plus $200, $494 times 480. Okay, that means I've gotten 237,000 naira in just 11 days of Forsage Tron. All right, please, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, men and women, which business will you do again at this kind of age that you'll be able to earn 200 something thousand in 11 days? Okay, you know the problem that we are having in Nigeria and in Africa. We don't want to work. We don't want to lift our hands. We want to struggle and gather 100,000 and give it to money doublers, and the money doublers will give 10 people, double for 10 people, and 1 million people will be scammed. I need us to change this mentality, okay? The effort you've got to put in Forsage Tron is bringing that little money. 12. In fact, if you don't want to give us your money, go and buy Tron. You need 706 Tron to join Forsage. When you get the link, install your wallet. After installation of your, please, if there's any noise at the background, just forget about the noise, ignore it and just listen to me, okay? Install the wallet. After the wallet, phone the wallet and use your referral link, the person that refer you, and link up to the business and become a member. And that is all what you need. That's all what you need. What else do you need? If you cannot use a money as little as that and to have wealth, what do you want? Where are you going to? Where will you pass? I'm talking about the very low people, the forgotten people that the government and the other people of the world think they are forgotten. Where will you go to? Now I'm building this team, I'm building this group, so that let us see the reason. Forsage is the only reliable source of income, except you want to scam. If you want to go into scamming people, let me tell you, okay, time will catch up with you and you are going to go in for it the entire of your future. You don't need to steal, you don't need to scam, just a little money, 10, 12, 13,000, join Forsage and start making referral, get money out of X3, get money out of X4 and start running into the sky and you become a millionaire. What do you want, guys? Young girls, young boys, stop moving up and down. Stop thinking that it's over. Stop thinking that you are defeated. Never you think of that. If you cannot rely on your upline that brought you, call me, lean on me, That doesn't mean you're going to come under my line. No, you're still going to go under their line, but I will tap you and wake you up so you can go and make some money. Come, let's make some money. This is the first edition. I'm going to put the second edition and the third. I will show you. Look at my earnings. Look at when I got into this Forsage 11 days ago, I was 329.12, but today we are over 60,000. all right, and I've earned this little money for this amount of time. Please, let's move together. Okay, all right. Till my next video. Okay.